Things are heating up as we meet Emersyn, a budding chef and baker. In the Culinary Arts program, EICC students can walk away with a certificate, diploma, or a degree, depending on their path. Emersyn managed to earn 14 college credits while still in high school, thanks to EICC's hands-on career academies. Toss it to you, Emersyn.
Thanks, Alex. What's up, everyone? When I was in high school, I did not know what I wanted to do with my life. I figured I'd stay local, take some gen ed classes, and then figure out what was next for me. But then something amazing happened. I discovered I could start my college education while being in high school, earning credits towards a certificate, degree, or diploma in a high-demand career field. Eastern Iowa Community Colleges had just opened a new career academy building, and they had it all: welding, auto, and my newfound passion, culinary arts. I started my senior year of high school and my first year of college at the same time. I took 4 courses in EICC's brand new culinary arts lab. The instructors were incredibly supportive and encouraged us to jump in and learn hands-on. One highlight was working at an open house where we showcased our culinary skills to the community. I've also used my expertise working at a local bakery. It's really exciting to take what I've learned and put it into practice. I earned enough credits in the Career Academy for a culinary arts certificate and could have taken those skills right into the workforce. Instead, I chose to continue my education at EICC and earn a degree. EICC's Career Academies help you build workplace skills, set career goals, and make the transition from high school to college smooth. Now that I am here, I enjoy many clubs and activities that bring students together, whether it's a game in the student center or food trucks parked outside. I've got big plans. After I graduate with my AAS degree, I plan to transfer to a university and study business management, then open my own bakery. I'm so thankful for EICC. Everyone wants a great college experience, and I got that and more. Back to you, Alex.
Nice, Emersyn. Those kitchens are decked out better than a 5-star restaurant. EICC offers high school career academies in 16 disciplines, including auto, criminal justice, healthcare, and more. High school students can earn credentials and enter the workforce right away or continue towards a degree. What a great way to save money and get a head start on your education. Thanks again, Emersyn.